starting to get this time management thing down. I've moved some things around, and 5 slots have opened up for beginner guitar lessons. Continuous throughout week. That time, there's 5 slots available now. Get them, they'll go fast. If you've been on the fence and you're like, man, I've always wanted to play guitar, let's do it. The time is now. 2025 is your year. You can learn from my mistakes. I've been playing for 38 years. I know what not to do and what to do. And I'm about quick wins. I'm all about getting you to keep this guitar in your hands once you pick it up, okay? After 5 lessons, you get the beginner course. It's a $300 value. You get that and enrolled into the community, which is another $300 value, to share notes with like-minded guitar enthusiasts, beginners, myself. That happens after 5 lessons. You get 2 camera views, 2 angles in the lessons. You get the front facing plus a POV to make learning even faster. And there's a link in the description. Check it out and see if the schedule works for you and lock this thing in. Can't wait to see you.